Captain Bad, he's our hero. Gonna take pollution down to zero.
Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. G here on a nice, cool spring morning. I'd like to teach you how to install a rain barrel. We are Penn State. Let's do it. For this project, you're going to need your flexible downspout, a level, a hacksaw, the diverter, a screwdriver, eyewear, gutter screws, and a screw gun. First things first, locate the downspout coming from your gutter, running down the side of your house. Figure out where you want to place the rain barrel. Before you even do anything, very important first step, build the base. I have a leftover patio stone here that I dug out the ground a little bit and positioned the patio stone. Get yourself a level and check to see if the base is level. Maybe do it both ways, that way and that way. Yeah, all right, the base is level. Place the rain barrel on the base, and if you want to check the level again, put the level on top of the rain barrel, and that is level. And do it this way, and we've got it leveled. All right, we can start connecting it. Once you have the barrel sitting level on the foundation, hook it up to the downspout with a diverter. I'm going to choose a diverter that looks like this because you can regulate where the water goes to. If it goes into the barrel, or if the barrel's filled, you can switch this little lever and it directs the water down the downspout. See that inside? So you switch this anytime that you need it and it looks like that. It's genius. Genius, genius. I would pre-plan how you're going to set up your diverter into your barrel. So once you figure things out, take a pencil and mark off on your current downspout, get a hacksaw and start hacking away at it. I'll be back in a few. Okay, I finally did it. I decided to use a sawzall instead of a handheld hacksaw. It was easier. Just be careful. I had a cable wire adjacent to my downspout and I had to make sure I didn't cut through it. Now it's time to install the diverter. The final product, diverter, right here. Some advice, maybe write with a Sharpie which way you move it to divert the water down the downspout or to the rain barrel, so you don't forget. Do that before you install it. When I want my rain barrel to be filled, I move it this way. The water is coming down the downspout and it's diverted into my rain barrel. Here you go. We got the mosquito net here. If the rain barrel gets too full, I'm going to move it and the water is diverted to the downspout. And let me just back up a second so you can see it. Oh, look at that Penn State flag in the background. We are Penn State. There you go. Saving the world, one rain barrel at a time. Yeah, boy. This is a 50-gallon rain barrel. From the time I hook it up in early spring to the time I winterize it in late fall, it fills up 4 times. That's 200 gallons of water per season that I save from using tap. So that's $2.44. But most importantly, I potentially save 200 gallons of water being included in combined sewer overflow.